Can you use a video asset in a funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Now that ClickFunnels 2.0 is shipping, one of the new features it offers is the ability to upload your own video files for use in your courses within ClickFunnels. You load these into the video asset area, and then you can reference these in your course content. This is a great feature and helps to reduce the overall costs and increase the effectiveness of your business by allowing you to stop using third-party video hosting services like Vimeo or Wistia. Though you could also host your videos on YouTube at no charge, you would likely have another video recommended by YouTube at the end, and you might lose your viewer to another platform. YouTube accounts are also sometimes banned for reasons beyond your control, causing videos to vanish from your funnels. The first thing I noticed with this new feature is it only worked for courses and not for simple videos within your funnel pages. This was a bummer, but I understood that as a priority, course videos would be the first to be supported. I've recently discovered that you can use an asset video in your regular funnel pages with just one extra step. This is not documented anywhere that I'm aware of. However, it's clearly supported, as you will see in this tutorial. I'm not sure if this was a recently added feature or it's been there for a while, but here's exactly how you do it. First, of course, you need a video file. You can use both MOV and MP4 files, and I suspect there are other formats that work as well. For this tutorial, I'll be using an MOV file. ClickFunnels will actually convert this to an MP4 file, which is what it stores as an asset. You also need a WebM file, so before we go into ClickFunnels, let's go create one of those. I'll be using a free converter at cloudconvert.com for this first part. There are other options online for this, but I've had great success with CloudConvert. First, set your video conversion mode. I'm converting an MOV file to WebM. Now select the file you wish to convert using the various drop-down options and press the Convert button. This process takes a little while, so I'll skip to the end. Here's my WebM video, so I'll download this now. The next step is to go into ClickFunnels and from your dashboard, select the Settings option. Select Assets, then go to Videos. Upload and create your new video here. Once you've done that, go to the Downloads tab and add your WebM file. Switch back to the Videos tab, select your video, then right-click on the preview video to copy the video address. Switch over to your funnel now. Go into the settings for your video and paste the video address you just copied into the video URL field. You will notice that a new field shows up right under the video URL field called WebM URL. Go back into your Assets area under the Downloads tab. Select your movie WebM file, right-click on the Download Current File button, and save the address. Go back to your funnel, paste this address into the WebM URL field, and save your changes. Preview your funnel, and you will see your asset-based video displayed on your funnel page. That's all there is to it. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial. Please like and subscribe on YouTube or like and follow on Facebook. Share this with anyone else you think would benefit. I'm interested in your comments as well. There's a link to a free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 in the description. I've also included a link to the free week-long ClickFunnels 2.0 webinar series called Your First Funnel for those who wish to dive deeper into ClickFunnels 2.0 and everything it has to offer. Until next time, life is good.